This is the new HONOR Magic 8 Pro. It will be available globally soon, and Malaysia is among the first country to receive it. As usual, due to the NDA, I can only share a short unboxing video, first impression and a few sample photos taken with the new HONOR Magic 8 Pro. It shares the same design language as its predecessor, featuring a triple rear camera setup housed in a large circular camera island bump. It's available in 3 color options: black, sky cyan, and sunrise gold. The HONOR Magic 8 Pros come with a mildly quad curved AMOLED display and a metallic brushed flat frame, giving it a premium looks and feel. For the first time, HONOR has introduced an AI button that functions similarly to the one found on that food brands. You can customize it to launch specific features, and it also works as a camera control: slide to zoom, hold to focus, and press to snap. The HONOR Magic 8 Pro is also being selected as photography equipment for Visit Malaysia 2026. Due to limited time, I will only be sharing a few photos taken with the HONOR Magic 8 Pro for now. More photos and video will be posted from time to time on my YouTube Shorts and Instagram. A comprehensive reviews of the HONOR Magic 8 Pros will be coming very soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.